It's above the stomach. It's a muscle that fills and expels the air from your lungs. When it contracts, it goes down, and then the lungs can fill up with air and expand.
When it relaxes, it goes up and pushes up the lungs. That's how you expel air. I get it. Boozy, don't go.
Oh, no! We have to get Boozy back before he gets into even more trouble.
What's going on, Boozy? Oh, there's food going everywhere.
Boozy, be careful. The stomach is full of acid that will dissolve the food. The stomach is shaking more and more.
That means we're in for some hiccups.
Let's go back up quickly, Boozy.
The hiccups have just started. I'll go up through the mouth.
But do be careful. Try to go up to the epiglottis.
I can see it now. But what's going on?
When the diaphragm moves too much, it expels small jets of air outside the lungs, and the epiglottis closes as a reflex.
And is that what makes that funny sound?
Exactly. But be careful. After the next hiccup, the epiglottis will shut very quickly.
Yes, but it won't catch me off guard.
The epiglottis is about to close. Animal, I told you to be careful.
We're inside the lungs. I'm trying to break as much as I can. Watch out! Do hiccups ever stop?
Generally, they tend to stop after a few minutes. Have you